An earthquake with a magnitude of 6.1 struck Chile on Thursday, the EMSC reported, as quoted by Reuters, adding that the quake occurred at a depth of 104 kilometers. The epicenter of the earthquake, as La Tercera indicates, was recorded at 1743 local time, 55.5 kilometers east of Quillagua, in the aforementioned region, as well as in the regions of Arica, Parinacota and Tarapacá. Despite the strength of the earthquake, the Chilean Navy's Hydrographic and Oceanographic Service, SHOA, ruled out that the tremors correspond to the characteristics of generating a tsunami on the country's coast. Frames taken during the earthquake have spread on social networks, in particular, from a surveillance camera that records movement in a house and the reaction of pets. Another video shows movement in a residential complex in Calama. A panorama of a group of houses during the earthquake was also shown on the network.